Hey, y'all, and welcome back to Pod Speak English. I'm John, your American host with all the energy and maybe a bit too much coffee.
And I'm Erica, your Brit, here to bring a touch of class, a proper cuppa, and a whole lot of wit to this podcast.
And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join the Pod Speak English community. We have new lessons every week to help you on your English journey. Today, we're diving into the quirkiest, most entertaining debate ever: British English versus American English. Erica, are you ready to battle it out?
Oh, John, darling, I was born ready. But let's be honest, you Americans have a habit of taking our beautiful language and, well, shall we say, simplifying it?
Simplifying? Erica, we like to think of it as optimizing. And today we're going to help our listeners navigate the wild world of British and American vocabulary, from trunks to boots and biscuits to cookies. So buckle up. Fasten your seatbelts.
Or as we Brits say, hold onto your hats. Let's get started.
All right, Erica, let's start with cars, because I know you Brits love your tiny roundabouts and cute little cars.
Oh, don't start, John. At least we can parallel park without needing half a football field.
Touché. All right, first term. Americans say trunk, and Brits call it a boot. Erica, why a boot? Do you store shoes in it or something?
Very clever, John. We call it a boot because, well, it's just what it's called, all right? Besides, trunk makes it sound like you're hauling around a tree.
Fair enough. Next one. Windshield versus windscreen. Erica, I've got to ask, does windscreen make you feel like you're in an episode of Downton Abbey?
Oh dear, only if I'm driving the Earl's Rolls Royce. But honestly, windscreen makes more sense. It screens you from the wind. Shield sounds like we're in a medieval battle.
All right, how about this one? Truck versus lorry. Erica, lorry sounds like the name of a lovely lady who serves tea and scones.
Oh, stop it. Truck just sounds so blunt, like get in the truck, we're off to Walmart. Whereas lorry has a touch of elegance. It's like, would you kindly load the lorry, darling?
Okay, last one for this segment. Gas station versus petrol station. Erica, I can't take petrol station seriously. It sounds like a place where you'd go to sip Earl Grey while refueling.
Oh, and gas station is so much better. Honestly, John, we Brits don't sip tea everywhere. Sometimes we drink coffee too, you know. Now let's move on to fashion, or as you might say, John, clothing. First up, jumper versus sweater.
Erica, why jumper? Are you expecting it to jump off your body or something?
Don't be ridiculous, John. A jumper is warm, cozy, and chic. Sweater, on the other hand, sounds like something you wear while doing manual labor.
Hey now, we Americans know how to look good in our sweaters. Next one, sneakers versus trainers. Erica, do trainers give you a pep talk before you work out?
Very funny. But let's be honest, sneakers makes it sound like you're sneaking around in them. Are you all spies over there?
We could be. And here's a fun one, bangs versus fringe. Erica, do you have any embarrassing fringe stories?
Oh, plenty. But let's not go there. I will say, though, fringe sounds artsy and cool. Bangs just makes me think of an explosion.
All right, one more for this segment. Diaper versus nappy. Erica, can we agree that neither word makes changing one sound glamorous?
Agreed. But at least nappy sounds a bit softer and more maternal. Diaper sounds like something you'd find in a science lab.
Time for my favorite subject, food. Erica, let's start with the ultimate classic, cookie versus biscuit.
Oh, John, don't get me started. A biscuit is a delicate, crumbly treat enjoyed with tea. A cookie is, well, it's just a bit much, isn't it?
A bit much? Erica, a cookie is joy in edible form. And don't even get me started on chips versus crisps.
Oh, please do get started. You Americans eat chips with salsa, while we eat crisps with class.
All right, how about this? Takeout versus takeaway. Erica, doesn't takeaway sound like you're losing something instead of gaining a delicious meal?
Not at all. Takeaway sounds chic. Takeout, on the other hand, sounds like something you eat straight out of a paper bag in your car.
Well, sometimes we do. It's called efficiency. And one last one for food, candy versus sweets. Erica, don't you think candy sounds way more fun?
Perhaps, but sweets sounds sophisticated. It's like, well, would you like a sweet, darling? Versus, give me some candy. Let's talk about homes, John. First up, apartment versus flat.
Erica, flat sounds like a pancake. At least apartment has some structure to it.
Oh, please. Flat is elegant and to the point. Apartment sounds like you're trying too hard.
All right, how about yard versus garden? Erica, do you really think a garden sounds better when it's just a patch of grass?
Absolutely. A garden is a place for flowers, tea parties, and tranquility. A yard sounds like somewhere you park a tractor.
Let's finish with some idioms. Erica, what's your favorite British idiom?
It has to be Bob's your uncle, and it's so random, and yet it works. You Americans don't have anything nearly as charming.
Hey, we've got piece of cake. It's simple, sweet, and makes sense. You can't beat that.
All right, listeners, let's review. Today we covered cars, clothes, food, housing, and even idioms. Which was your favorite?
And if you love this episode, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's your favorite British or American word? We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on Pod Speak English. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep having fun.
This is John signing off. Bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next podcast.
This is your Erica signing off. Bye for now. Have a great day. See you all in the next podcast.